We are participating in Fair as DGA Drone. We produce Turkey's first hybrid drones. What is hybrid drone? Unlike battery drones, both gasoline, by integrating the battery at the same time. One system, yes, but Tari drones on average, with a flight time of 10 minutes and 12 minutes, our drones are exactly 1 hour, can stay in the air throughout. Spraying in agriculture with these drones, fertilization, we offer services such as seeding to our users. Our farmers at the fair get a lot of questions. There are many questions from the municipalities. The most frequently asked questions: how many acres of land we can spray? How effectively we can use already in general, use of drones in agriculture. The biggest reason for this increase: tractors' product is in loss. They cause product loss between 5% and 10%. But if we spray from the air with drones, without any loss of product, cleaner and with less manpower, we provide pharmaceutical services. Farmers now, are they pretty used to spraying with a drone? Yes, they got too used to it, even we. We learn more from farmers. Their return to us from the right is very valuable. And now, new technologies in agriculture started evolving towards drones.